Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Bree, I live in Minnesota and I just turned 26, so now we're adding that into the intro. It is March 2nd, so in my mind, spring is like upon us and we're gonna do some spring cleaning today. It's a Sunday, I just need to reset and refresh the house anyways, so it's a perfect time to just like start doing some things. We're gonna crack a window, let some fresh air in. I literally have like pretty much every room of the house on my to-do list. We're gonna start with the kitchen, but I wanna do the shower again and the whole bathroom, the office, the upstairs, all of the places. We are also using the Clara Pierce method, and we're going to go get all of my bed sheets and grab all the bedding, throw that in the washer, and then we're gonna clean all of the other spaces in the time that it takes to wash and dry all of the bedding. I love doing this. I feel like it's like the perfect motivation to just go, 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 go. You're kind of like racing against the clock, and it forces you to keep moving. There's no time to stop. You just get that shit done. So that's first step, is going and grabbing all of our bedding. So let's go do that. Can you get your ball? Bubba. Go get it. Okay, bedding is started. Let's go start cleaning. We're starting with the kitchen. I think I said that, but let's do it. What the? We are back. It is a few weeks later from when I started this video. This was supposed to be a whole like spring cleaning vlog, which it was, and then Minnesota decided to be its usual self and it snowed again. And it didn't just snow a little bit, it snowed an entire foot. It was like an entire snowstorm. So therefore I was like, oh, it is not time for spring cleaning anymore. Like, it is freezing out again. And it was just about a week and a half of being like, I'm not gonna do anything major, because when I'm spring cleaning, I'm very much like, we are getting shit done, we are decluttering, we are deep cleaning, we are opening the windows, lighting candles, like the whole 9 yards. We couldn't open a window for a week and a half. So in my brain, I'm like, spring cleaning is canceled, it has come to a pause, but we are picking it back up because we are back to nice weather again. The snow has almost melted. It's 50 degrees out right now, and it's supposed to be like 70 degrees on Friday, which is just music to my ears. It is fluctuating a bit still, but that's just the Midwest, that's just Minnesota. But it is now officially starting to feel more like spring, and I think hopefully supposed to stay this way and not get cold again. So we're picking this back up. It is March 11th. I don't necessarily have anything that needs to be like cleaned or decluttered today, but I am going to do a little at-home workout, which I'm gonna insert into this vlog, because I feel like spring cleaning obviously is like cleaning your environment and your home, and whatever, but it's also for me cleaning like my brain, getting my mental health back up to like a peak because of the winter depression, all of that fun stuff. I truly mentally feel like 10,000 times better once the weather starts to warm back up again. So I also try to take advantage of all of that and make my mental health better. I don't have time today to go to the gym, so I am just gonna do a little quick at-home workout and call it a day, and I'm gonna do it outside because having like the sun on me while I do it and getting some fresh air, that is what is going to be the absolute best for me right now. That is gonna be a spring cleaning task because I'm cleaning in here also, cleaning the mental health. We're just refreshing all together. So I'm gonna go get dressed for that and do that really quick to take just a little midday break, a little breather, and then I will be back whenever we have another big cleaning task to get done. It is a new week. I'm struggling a bit because it was St. Patrick's Day this weekend and I just like don't go out like that ever anymore. In the past few weeks have just been more than I would like, and we are back to being like not drinking a lot or like at all because my body can't handle it. So I'm still struggling. It is Monday, but we have some shit to do and I want to finish off this spring cleaning vlog this week, and we have just a few more things on our list that need to be done to make me feel like good about where at least the interior of our house is. And one of those things I actually just got something delivered for is our bathroom. Both of the drains, our sink and the shower drain, are just out of commission half the time. I don't know what is going on down there, but currently our sink needs it the most. It is like hardly draining water at all. So I got some of the long drain unclogger things off of Amazon, and it says they just got delivered. So I'm gonna just go and take care of that right now because it needs it. And then the shower drain needs it also, but that one's a little more tough because you can't really like get down in there. I haven't assessed the situation as much, but we're gonna at least go get the sink done right now. So let's go do that. Start with one of these. We basically just gotta shove this thing down the drain, and it has these like little things poking out that should catch things and pull it back up, if that makes sense. But you guys, I'm actually terrified of what, yeah, absolutely not. I should have prepared more for this. These do work, so if you're having the same issue, these work. It's really freaking disgusting, but it does the job. Now this thing's...
Oh my god, you're in there?
Yeah. Okay, well I already got all that out, but now it's stuck down here.
Congealed. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Gross. Ugh.
Toothpaste?
Product, I don't know, just built up shit.
How does it look down there now?
I mean, it's cleared out now until like way down there, but...
That smells bad.
Of it?
Yeah. I was gonna say, I think with that is that I just push fucking toothpaste side of there to get caught in there.
All right, it is a Sunday. It is the perfect time to just finish off what I have left on my spring cleaning list, which is descaling and like deep cleaning our Nespresso machine. You need to remember to do that because it gets nasty. And deep cleaning the fridge, which is just been the task I have wanted to do the least, I think, because I don't know, just having to clear everything out and put it back in sounds like hell, but it needs to get done and it'll feel so much better once it is. So, like I said, it's Sunday, so like I'm just cleaning in general. We're cleaning just like the entire kitchen is the main focus, maybe a little bit of the bathroom, doing the sheets and all of the bedding. I'm not gonna show you like all of the deep cleaning of the kitchen because you've seen that already, but I will show you the Nespresso machine and the fridge. So, let's do it. Okay, Nespresso machine is cleaned. It was actually so gross, but now we're gonna descale it. So it's basically just gonna run an entire container of hot water through the machine and like filter and clean the inside of it out. This is your sign to descale your Nespresso machine because grody. No, thank you. It recommends to do it every like 3 months, I think, and I think that was around when the last time we did it was, so it was needed. But now she's clean and ready to go. But now we tackle the fridge. So I'm gonna move you over here so you can see everything that is going on. We have a lot of stuff in here right now also, so this is gonna be a pain, but I have the time to do it now, so I'm gonna just do it. Okay, this is everything that was in the fridge. I'm now gonna go through sauces and condiments and everything and check expiration dates and throw out anything that is expired because there are a few of these things that I haven't seen in a moment. So we're gonna make sure everything is good to go and then wipe down and clean out the entire fridge and put everything back in. I'm getting sleepy, but now everything is going back in. We are finished. The fridge is clean. Hallelujah. You really can't tell that much of a difference because it wasn't like crazy dirty by any means, but in my heart I know that it is like scrubbed down. All of the little spills and crumbs and whatever else are gone and everything is organized. So I'm very happy to have this done. And that also concludes our spring cleaning. I mean, I'm sure obviously I'm always cleaning and there's things that are gonna have to be done, but those were some of the like major things I wanted to get done and we're done. So I will see you next time. Bye.